Inside this video, I'm going to give you an in-depth review of Activity Book Mastery. Hey guys, David here, and welcome to my Activity Book Mastery review. I'm actually inside the members area right now, and I'm going to be breaking down everything for you and taking you step by step through this software. So in a nutshell, what is Activity Book Mastery? Well, Activity Book Mastery is a software that allows you to automatically create low content books to sell on Amazon. This is a huge software for the industry because it allows you to basically click and then create automatically these pages for these activity books. So that could be mazes, that could be trivia questions, that could be drawing books, that could be coloring books, that could be anything that falls under the activity book niche. So you're probably thinking, how much can you actually make with selling these activity books on Amazon? Well, let me go ahead and show you right now. So all I did here is I typed in activity book into the Amazon search bar, and you scroll down and you start seeing these activity books on Amazon. And right here is the ranking for the bestseller ranking. So we have 182 in books, we have 870 in books, 51 in books, and right here 207 in books. So let's go ahead and take this rating right here at 870 because it's the higher one of all of them. And what I'm going to do is plug this into an Amazon sales calculator. So 870 in the books category. Let's see how many estimates of books it's selling per day. So 78 books per day. Now, how much was that selling for? $7.96. So at that sale price, that person's making around $3 per every book that they sell. So let's go ahead and put that into a calculator. So we want 78 times 3 equals, so that one book is actually making them $234 every single day on Amazon. So as you can see, the potential for activity books on Amazon is huge. It's a huge market. There's a lot of people interested in them, and they will continue to buy from you over and over again because they will fill them out and they'll need new activity books once they are done filling out those activity books. Because this is such a great software, I decided to put together a custom bonus bundle for this software if you choose to buy through my affiliate link. Now, I didn't leave anything out in this bonus bundle, and it actually contains some of my best training on Amazon niche books. And if you're interested in checking out that bonus bundle, all you're gonna have to do is click on the link down below this video inside the video description, and it will take you to my bonus page, which looks like this. Once you're on the bonus page, go ahead and click on any of these yellow buttons before the timer runs out, because that is the end of the launch date and these bonuses will go away. So go ahead and click on the yellow button, and then that will take you to the sales page of Activity Book Mastery, which looks like this. Go ahead and click on this button, and that button will take you down here where you can hit add to cart. And then once you have added to cart and you have purchased it, in order to get those bonuses that I'm going to be giving you, you go ahead and you go to your affiliate dashboard here in Warrior Plus, go to your purchase history, and then click on the name of the product, Activity Book Mastery, and it will have all of your bonuses inside of that purchase history, and all you're gonna have to do is click on that blue button to access your bonuses. So let's go ahead now and just talk about the bonuses that I have prepared for you if you decide to pick up Activity Book Mastery from my link down below in the description. So bonus number one is I'm giving you Print That Profits. This is my course on how to sell no content books and low content books on Amazon. There's over 22 videos in here. There are cheat sheets, there are bonuses, there's tons of stuff in here. This is a full-blown course that I usually sell for about $50, but the value of this is more upwards of 97 or more because of just how much value I've put into this course. So you're not just getting the software, Activity Book Mastery, but you're getting my full Print That Profits course as well. Bonus number two is I'm giving you 4 case studies of my best-selling books on Amazon. So it's not just fluff. You're gonna get to see my best sellers of these no and low content books on Amazon, so you can go ahead and steal my niches, and you can go ahead and start making that kind of money that I am as well with those books. Bonus number 3 is I'm giving you 500 plus low content book niches that you can start using and implementing and start selling on Amazon and making money with. Bonus number 4 is I'm giving you 10 done for you book interiors. So Activity Book Mastery actually gives you tons of ways to make those interiors by using the mazes and the trivia questions and the kaleidoscopes and all that, all the paper games. So Hangman, you can create all of the interiors inside of Activity Book Mastery, but I went ahead and I gave you 10 more done for you book interiors. And these aren't just little blank books. These are low content books. So I have a lot of good niches inside of these done for you book interiors that you can go ahead and start using immediately. Bonus number 5 is I'm giving you all my best-selling niches. So I'm not leaving anything behind. I am making upwards to $500 a month selling books on Amazon. I'm going to give you those niches that I'm making money with. So all those bonuses can be found on my bonus page in the link down below. So now let's go ahead and let's talk about Activity Book Mastery and jump inside the software. So here is the software of Activity Book Mastery. It has a very basic design, but that is on purpose because you are just using this to create books. So you have your home section right here. Then underneath you have all of your instruction videos. So the creator of the product has put together all kinds of videos to teach you how to use the software. For example, here are all the videos teaching you how to use the software, how to create the kaleidoscopes, how to create picture slices, how to create paper games, so Sudoku, word search, Hangman, tic-tac-toe, all of that is included in this software, and it creates it automatically for you. And also teaches you how to create comic books inside of Canva. So tons of information on how to use the software, all built in to Activity Book Mastery. It also shows you step-by-step how to publish a book onto Amazon KDP, teaches you all about graphics and PDFs, and then there's a private Facebook group for this so you can get all kinds of help if you need it, and you can ask questions to the product creator. So that is all included inside the Facebook group. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some of this stuff. So we have the kaleidoscopes. So with this, all you're going to be doing is downloading these and then uploading them to Canva, and you can create these kaleidoscope activity books that sell really, really well on Amazon. Now, one of my favorite parts about this is the maze section. So you can actually click how many mazes that you want to use out of these different styles. So I could say I want 10 of these square mazes, and I want 10 of these circle mazes, and then you just hit include maze numbers, hit go, and it'll actually download it for you. So you can click here to get the download as a zip file, or you can click here to look at it in your browser. So let's go ahead and do that. And as you can see, all of these different mazes are different. So they're all different. They all have different destinations, and it automatically creates it for you. So you don't have to spend any time. So that's the beauty of this product, is it creates these mazes, it creates these activities that people can use in these activity books, and you don't have to do it yourself. You don't have to hire a designer that costs hundreds of dollars or anything like that. You just easily click and you create these books. That's why I'm so blown away by this software, because I've never seen anything like this before. You also have comic book templates. So you can use these comic book templates and you can plug them inside of Canva, and you can start making comic books, which also sell really, really well. Let me just show you. So go over to Amazon, we'll type in comic book template. All right, we'll just wait for this to load here and it will show us. So this one's at 3,000 in books. That is insane. So the other one that we looked at was 870. Remember that, the activity book? Well, you can create these comic books easily with this software, and it's ranking at 3,000. So let's go ahead and just type that in here. 3,000. So it's selling about 30 books per day. And at that price, they're making about $2 for every book. So around $60 a day with that book, which is crazy. You know, that's over $1,500 a month just with one comic book. And you can create those comic books inside of Activity Book Mastery. So now let's go ahead and talk about the prices and the upsells for Activity Book Mastery. So a couple things to note. Activity Book Mastery comes in at $47, but this is just for the launch. So as of Monday, July 20th, you can no longer get this for $47. It's going to jump up to $67. So if you want to get it at the $47 price, you're going to have to do that before Monday, July 20th. Now there is one upsell to this, so let's go ahead and talk about that. So the one upsell is the trivia book software, and that's going to cost you $24.95. That upsell will be presented to you after you have purchased the software for $47, but it is optional and you don't have to get that. Let me just show you what the upsell is though. It's this trivia book mastery right here, and it actually allows you to create trivia books automatically on demand, which they also sell really, really well on Amazon. So I do recommend this if you want the option to start creating trivia books that sell super well. So it gives you the questions and it gives you the answer and it gives you a little place for them to select A, B, C, or D. And you can create these trivia books and start selling them on Amazon. So that is a very helpful upsell, and it's priced really reasonably at $24.95. So that is everything that you need to know about Activity Book Mastery. If you're interested at all in my bonus package where I give you my full course, Print That Profits, and I also give you 4 case study videos, 500 plus low content book niches, 10 done for you book interiors, and my best selling niches, you can go ahead and get that through the link down below this video inside the description. And then you can pick up Activity Book Mastery and get all those bonuses for free for no additional costs. So thank you for checking out my Activity Book Mastery review. I'm David, and I will see you guys in another video.